Íomh gach duine Conas atá sibh an lá fuair gwaifir agus floch nach bhfuil bhí sé jazz inné ach inniu tá sé fuair agus floch. So it's not as bright and warm as it was yesterday, but sure, rain gear, that's all you need. Put a bit of rain gear on and try and get outside as usual. We're living in Ireland, we can't allow the weather to stop us from getting some fresh air and exercise. Okay, as my teacher in 6th class used to say to us, and I'm sure you've probably heard the phrase yourselves as well, there's no such thing as bad weather, only bad clothes. Okay, so be a gléamh. Conas atá sí gléasta. So nye bhímar ag fécant éidi at clothes. Okay, so now we have this new question. Conas atá sí gléasta. How is she dressed? Conas atá sé gléasta. Okay, so conas atá sí gléasta. So fécant éidi atá urhi. So atá ganzi urhi, tá skirta urhi, agus tá cuarán urhi, sandals. Okay, so conas atá sí gléasta. Tá sí gléasca go jazz. She's dressed nice. Okay, nicely. Tá skirta urhi. It's a girl. Okay, we say urhi. Tá ganzi urhi. Agus tá cuarán urhi. Conas atá sé gléasta. Oh, you might have seen it. Okay, but conas atá sé gléasta. So é de scoile. É de scoile is uniform. Okay, é de scoile. So léna, bríste, stucky agus broga. Agus carawat freshen. So tá é de scoile air. So for a girl it was urhi. So for a bucle we have air. Okay, we've come across that a few times, so it should be you know, you should know that well by now. Okay, so tá éide scoile air. Tá léna air. Tá carawat air. Carawat, it's a tie. Carawat air. Okay, think of the French word cravat. Okay, they're all connected. Tá carawat air. Tá bríste air, agus tá stucky agus broga air. Okay, so our activity for today is here, Leon the Barney. Okay, so on penguin, we're looking at earth air, so on. Okay, air. Okay, so for me it's okay, so you might say what you're wearing. So okay, tá ganzi dove two for you, earth. Okay, so you might turn to whoever's helping with your homework and tell them what they're wearing. You might say, you know, Daddy, tá léna bon earth. Okay, you have a white shirt on you. Okay, sé, so for a boy, air. For she, urhi. For shin, which is us, urring. So if you are on a football team, you might say tá ganzi glas urring. Okay, so we have a green jersey on us. Okay, shiv. Okay, so for you all, uriv. Okay, so if we were in school, okay, I might say to you the day before PE, you know, I might say, guys, den kinche go meg do cola raha uriv ermajin. Make sure you have your tracksuit on tomorrow. Den kinche go meg do cola raha uriv morch. Okay, and she'd them. Okay, so if I was pointing in this Flatley's class, you know, I might say fake tá cola raha orhu. Okay, so look, they are wearing their tracksuit. Okay, so I want you to fill in the blanks here. Okay, you can write out the whole sentence or just the word, it's up to you. Okay, so we have to put in the right earth, air, urhi, urring, uriv, urhu. Okay, so we have different sentences here. So her may mochota. So I put the coat on me. So her may makota. So may. Her may makota urim. Okay. So let's see. Two. Her to dochota. Earth. You put your coat on. It's in the past tense. So you put your coat on. Her to dochota. Earth. Let's see. Napashti. No, I don't see Napashti over here. But Napashti will be them. Okay, look, and it's in the sentence there. Chur siad a gótaí orthu. Okay, so that's your work for today. Okay, send it on to me. You can just do the words if that is easier for you, or you can do the whole sentences. Okay, and as well as that, if you'd like to read these out for me, that would be great, and send them on to me. Okay, I'll do it one more time for you. Conas atá sí gléasta. Tá sí gléasta go deas. Tá skirta urhi, tá ganzi urhi, tá cuireán urhi. Conas atá sé gléasta. Tá éide scoile tá léine tá carawat tá bríste tá stucky agus broga And if you want to perhaps write or record yourself telling me what you are wearing, okay, you know, tá, I would say tá ganzi dove tá léine bán agus tá bríste dun okay, nice and simple. Okay, so bíag lá jazz agus galéir agus bé mé kaint live níos Janie. Slán fóil.